Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can use AirPlay to stream video or mirror your screen on iPhone. So to get started, at first you need a compatible device like Apple TV or MacBook. Once it's done, scroll your screen from the top right corner. Now you can see the option like rotation, kinda. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see the screen mirroring. You'll be seeing the app. So when you see the app, you can just select it and connect it. Just make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your mobile phone. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can use AirPlay to stream video or mirror your screen on iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.